Right, 4.3, question number 10. Subtract right now. So a 3 by 5 form, add by 5. And remember when I told you when there's form, you have to write the second number first. So you can see add by 5 minus is there because of the question, subtract, and then write the number 3 by 5. Once we're done with that, you can see that they have the same denominator, which means LCM will simply be the number itself. Okay, 5. If you're done with that, write down both the numerators, right? So 8 minus 3, then 8 minus 3 will give me 5, right? 5 divided by 5, so 5 ones are 5 ones are, and my answer will simply be just 1. Alright, B. Okay, once again form is there, so to write this number first, right? Minus 5 by 9, and write down the second later. Okay, this minus is there because of the question. If you notice here, there are two signs again, right? 1, 2, but like I said, we have to keep just 1. So minus into minus, minus into minus will be plus. Okay, if you look at the denominators, they are same, right? So you just write down the number itself. Okay, 9. What is my first numerator? Minus 5, so I've written. Second is plus 2, so I've written. If you notice here, you will say minus 5 is bigger than plus 2, right? Which means my answer will be in minus. So minus 5 plus 2, I'll get minus 3 by 9. Okay, then 3 ones are 3, 3s are 9, or my answer will be minus 1 by 3. Alright, once again, form is there, so write down this number first. This subtraction is there because of the question, and then write down 4 by 5. Now, if you'll notice, the denominators are different, right? Which means I have to find the LCM. Okay, so let's try to find the LCM of 15 and 5, right? So I'm going to divide by 5, right? 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, and 3 1, right? So my LCM is 15. Alright, so I've written down here. And what is my first numerator? 11, right? So I've written here 11. Then 15, how many times are 15? 15 ones are 15. My second numerator is minus 4, so I've written minus 4. 5, how many times are 15? 5 3s are 15. Alright, if we're done with that, we just have to multiply. 11 ones are 11, 4 3s are 12. But remember, this minus is there. Okay, now if you look at 11 minus 12, right? Minus is bigger than the plus, so 11 minus 12 will give you minus 1, right? Minus 1 by 15. Alright, once again, write down this number first, so 4 by 5, then this minus is there because of the question, and then write down minus 2 by 7. Once again, minus into minus plus. Alright, and if you look at the denominators, they are both different, right? Which means I have to find the LCM. Okay, so 5 ones are 5, then 7, and of course 7 1s are 7, which means my LCM is 35, which I have already written here. What is my first numerator? 4, right? So I've written 4. 5, how many times are 35? 5 7s are 35. Next is plus 2, right? So I've written plus 2. 7, how many times are 35? 7 5s are 35. If we're done with that, we just have to multiply, right? 4 7s are 28, then 2 5s are 10. Okay, so both are plus, we have to add them. So 28 plus 10, I'll get 38. Okay, 38 by 35. Alright, this will be the last question. Once again, form is there, so I have to write down this number first. This minus is there because of the question, and then write down minus 6 by 7. And also minus into minus, I'll get plus. Okay, if you're done with that, look at the denominators. They're both different, right? Which means I have to find the LCM. Alright, so I'm going to start with 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, and then 2 1 time, right? Or my LCM will be 14. Alright, so I've written here 14. My first numerator is how much? Minus 13, so I've written. Then 14, how many times are 14? 14 ones are 14. My next numerator is 6, right? So I've written 7, how many times are 14? 7 2s are 14. If we're done with that, we just have to multiply. Minus 13 into 1, minus 13. Then 6 2s are 12. Alright, you can see that minus is bigger, right? Minus 13 plus 1, my answer will be minus 1 by 14.